Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from and when you're watching this video. It's a boy, Elzanito. So you would notice, for those that used to like do sponsored ads on Instagram, you would notice that especially if you use an iPhone, right? iPhone or iOS has made it so hard to like do sponsored ads, and that's because to do a sponsored ad like in the past, you just have to just click on boost post, and it tells you okay which audience you want to go for, and connect your card or stuff like that, and you just boost the post. It's as simple as that. But now you will notice that iOS now require you to like link up to something, then you'd have to like pay up something upfront, and you have to still pay iOS even before you even pay Meta for that sponsored ad. So it's quite a long process now, and it's very, very crazy. I just figured instead of going through that route, why not just do it using your Meta Business Suite, right? Meta Business Suite has been it's been available for quite a long time now. Most people don't really use it because it looks a bit like, it looks somehow, right? But yeah, I'm going to like try to run through how I do like my sponsored ads right from my Facebook, and it affects both my Instagram, and you can also do it such that you do sponsored ad for both your Facebook and your Instagram posts, or you can do it separately. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. We're going to do that right away. See you there. All right, so we're here. This is my Facebook page, right? You can see some of, yeah, this is just how it looks like. Anybody's Facebook page can be like this. And I would say that if you want to do the sponsored ad stuff, you probably have to do it on your laptop, right? So when you come down here, you would see your name, your friends, blah blah blah, and other information. Just press see more, and you see ads manager. And when you scroll down a bit, you see Meta Business Suite. So click on Meta Business Suite, and it's going to take you to a new platform. Now this is where you're going to see, it's more or less like a business suite, or yeah, it's more or less like a platform that shows you everything about your account and also the accounts you manage, right? So let me just cancel this. So at the moment I manage the accounts of my church, and you can see you'll be able to get your notifications. You can respond to like messages and stuff like that. But yeah, that's not what we are here for. So I'm going to just choose where is this? Yeah, this is my personal page, right? Elzanito. Now under Elzanito, you can see we have notifications. If I click on notifications, excuse me, you'll be able to see like all my notifications and stuff like that. If I go to ads manager, you'll be able to see all the adverts I've been able to like pull up and all. So let's go to ad manager. So you would see account overview, campaigns, audiences, bills and payments, ad reporting. So let's go to campaigns, and it's going to open it somewhere else. So no, don't worry. All right, don't let me go there. So let's go to, where are you? Account overview. I hope it opens. If not, we'll continue. Okay. All right. So I'm not using my personal laptop. This is a separate laptop. But yeah, let me show you something. So let's say, for example, we are in this page, right? Now, if you're using your own personal laptop and your personal Facebook, that particular information will not come up. It will take you directly to your account overview, right? But let's say, for example, these are some of my posts, as you can see, for my IG, my Instagram, because we're currently on Instagram, right? So I linked my Instagram and Facebook together such that when I post on Instagram, it goes directly to my Facebook page. Now, if you have not done that and you would probably need me to run through that tutorial for you, you can let me know in the comments. But yeah, just make sure your Facebook and your Instagram are linked together such that when you post on Instagram, it can go to your Facebook without having to post again on Facebook. But you'd see this is my recent post. This is on Facebook. On Instagram, this is my recent post on Instagram. On Facebook and Instagram, this is my last post before this. So you will notice that these two, I posted this on Instagram, right? But because I've linked my Facebook and Instagram together, when I posted this on Instagram, it's also helped me with like the posts on Facebook as well. So yeah, these are some of my overview so far: link clicks, reach, how much I spent in the last ad I did, 6,200. Now on a normal day, if you're going to, and this 6,200 ran for about 3 days, unlike Instagram whereby 6,200 would not probably go more than a day or 2 days, right? And you would still not get the number of reach you're looking for. Especially for Instagram, there's this, I don't know if it is like a shadow ban for like just pictures. I mean, if you do sponsored ads for like reels, you will definitely get more views, right? So but yeah, this is where you get to see all your stuff. But again, this is what we are looking for. So let's say for example, right, I want to let's say I want to see all my posts, right? I'm going to bring in all these posts. Let me just press done. Now you can see at the moment, this my last video has 390 reach, which is very low. It has 55 likes, which is also low compared to what I usually get on my page, right? So if you want to boost it, just press boost, right? And just wait for it to like bring up this platform. Now when you press boost, this is what you would see, right? And you can tell it. So for example, you know, if you're going to advertise a particular post, you can tell it to give you like a particular CTA. Like call to action could be like, okay, visit my Instagram page, which is like this, or it could be another call to action. Or mine is visit Instagram profile, right? And yeah, you can see, you just read all through this and just read through. But yeah, I would just advise you leave it as default settings, and you can see this is the video. So who should see your ad? Now you can create a new target. I currently have it at automatic. I also have a target for designers and Lagos celebs. So for example, if I want to like push a design training, I just choose designers, so that only designers or those that are interested in design, Photoshop, blah blah blah, would be able to see it more. You understand? But automatic means it will just target people that, it will just pick random sample of my followers and just target those kind of people, right? So let's say I go with automatic, right? Then you come here, you can choose the date in which you would like your sponsored ad to start. So today is 13th, right? So you can see 13th, 2:43 p.m. and you can choose how many days it's going to run, right? So for each day, the default is usually 1,600, but you can make it more than that. You can bring it to the to the lowest, and you can choose the number of days you want to run. Facebook will tell you that the best days, or the best number of days, is 4. So if you come to 3, it will tell you ads that run for at least 4 days tend to get better results. Now I would always advise that if you have, for you to be able to like do sponsored ad, that means you have like the funds for it. And its funny thing is, it's not expensive at all, because you're paying in error, right? It's not expensive at all. So let's say we go for 4 days. That's 4 times 1,600. At the end of the day, you'll be paying like about 6,000 to 7,000 naira, right? Or 6,700 or something like that. So let's say you go with 4 days and you choose this number of this as your reach. So it's going to tell you that if you choose this amount, this is your estimated reach. That's 973 to 2,800 people per ads, right? And where should people see your ad? Definitely Instagram, because we're currently on the Instagram platform. Then you're going to put in your payment method. Automatically, you might not have anything here, so you can just add a payment method. You can put in your MasterCard or Visa card. I would suggest you use Visa card, because Visa card is most likely to be accepted. Sometimes MasterCard misbehaves. So when you're done, you just press publish, and it's going to tell you that okay, your post is up for review. And after about a few minutes, it's going to be published as an Instagram ad, and you can, before you know it, you start seeing it running. And so yeah, this is one way to like do your sponsored ad, right? Instead of you looking for like somebody to pay to help you do your sponsored ad, it's quite simple. It's just for you to be able to navigate the Meta Business Suite, right? And you can always come here and check out other stuff, right? This would always give you like information that you need about your platform, about your accounts, if your account is doing well, if it's not doing well. This is a daily review. You can choose cumulative, you can check how it is running, who are those that are actually following you, and all like that. And that will help you to like plan yourself well, help you to see your platform as your account as not just an IG account or a Facebook account, but a business that needs to be monitored properly. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you have any question, drop it in the comments. Again, this is just a random video tutorial I figured let me just do. So if you need um, more tutorial on this and you want me to go in depth into like Meta business suits, let me know also in the comments. I'm going to see you next time. Cheers.